Today, we're gonna level up our taco game.
Smoky and as spicy as you want it, chorizo sausage is a taco game changer. And we're going to add in a layer of onions and peppers and fried plantains. Let's start by scoring each sausage with a knife to easily remove the casings from the links. You can find both mild and spicy varieties of chorizo at most grocery stores, and then just set that aside. Prep the plantains by cutting off the ends, removing the tough skins, quarter it lengthwise, and then cut it into small pieces. You can use either green or yellow plantains. The yellow are a little bit sweeter, which is a nice contrast to the chorizo. In a small bowl, combine sour cream and chipotles and adobo. I love this creamy, tangy, and smoky combo. One of the best condiments for tacos, in my opinion. Now it's time to cook up the chorizo, and we do it just like we brown ground beef, breaking it up while it cooks, and when no pink remains in the meat, transfer it to a serving bowl, but leave all the drippings behind. We're gonna cook the peppers and onions in the same pan, and it will soak up all of that flavor. Sprinkle with a little salt and pepper, and stir them around until they're cooked just the way you like them. Turn down the heat and add the chopped garlic. Once that heats through, transfer it to a serving dish. In a non-stick skillet, heat the oil until it shimmers, then carefully pour in the diced plantains. Let them cook for a minute or two and then give them a stir and a generous sprinkle of salt. These can be cooking while you're working on the sausage and peppers to save time. And once the plantains are browned on all sides, it's time to eat. Slather the chipotle sour cream on a warm corn tortilla. Add peppers and onions, the spicy chorizo, fried plantains, a sprinkle of queso fresco, and chopped cilantro. Sure, I went a little overboard filling these tacos up, but you can certainly be reasonable about it too.
Quick and easy enough to whip up any night of the week, or a Taco Tuesday.
You can find the recipe for chorizo tacos at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.